In this question, you're asked to find limit x tends to 0 e power x minus 1 by root of 1 minus cos x. So again, a very straightforward question. Limit x tends to 0 e power x minus 1 by 1 minus cos x is 2 sine square x by 2. 2 sine square x by 2. So root of 2 sine square x by 2, that is equal to limit x tends to 0 e power x minus 1 divided by root 2 times mod of sine of x by 2, right? Root of sine square x by 2 is mod of sine x by 2, because root of x square is mod x. Root of x square is mod x. So e power x minus 1 by root 2 times sine x by 2. That is equal to. So now what we do is 1 by root 2 is a constant. It can be taken out. Limit x tends to 0. So e power x minus 1 by x. So I will divide numerator and denominator by x, and mod of sine x by 2 by x. So as x tends to 0, e power x minus 1 by x, this goes to 1, and mod sine x by 2 by sine x by 2, mod sine x by 2 by x. So let us try to find where this goes. So limit x tends to 0 mod of sine x by 2 by x. So you have mod is a piecewise defined function. So you have to find it separately in right neighborhood and left neighborhood, right? So as x tends to 0 plus, so mod sine x by 2 becomes directly sine x by 2 by x, because in 0 plus sine is positive. So I'll do by 2 into 2, sine x by 2 by x by 2 goes to 1. So this is equal to 1 by 2. And limit x tends to 0 minus mod sine x by 2 by x. So as x is negative, x by 2 is also negative, sine x by 2 is negative, so mod sine x by 2 is minus sine x by 2. That is equal to limit x tends to 0 minus sine x by 2 by x. So I will divide with 2 and multiply it with 2. So this goes to 1, and the left limit is minus 1 by 2. So the right limit is plus 1 by 2, the left limit is minus 1 by 2. Hence, as you can see, this limit is not defined, hence this whole limit is not defined, because in the positive neighborhood this goes to plus half, and the effective limit will be equal to plus root 2. As x tends to 0 minus, this limit is going to minus half, and the effective limit is minus root 2. Hence the right limit is not same as the left limit, hence the limit is not defined.